Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's explore date filters with the help of parameters. Um, I would like to actually explain about two methods that usually would be used. Uh, One is a rolling date filter, another is a relative date range filter. Both these, I would explain it with the help of a parameter. For that, let me create a parameter on order date and name it selected month and year. Display format custom hyphen by range. Now let us create a calculator field and let me name it rolling date filter. And since we want to find out the details for the previous 12 months based on the selected date, uh, we need to use a date diff function. And since we are using, we want to filter out the previous 12 months, I'm using the date part as a month. And I want to find out the difference between the order date and selected month and year, which needs to be less than 12. And a date diff. Okay, let me copy paste the formula. Here I've copy pasted it. Only thing is I need to change this number, which needs to be greater than equal to 0. I'll set it to valid. And okay, and if I would bring the sales figure over here, yeah. So we could see that the details for all the years are available. When we bring the rolling date filter and set it to true, okay, show parameter, yes. So now we have a date filter only for the uh, previous 12 months from Jan to uh, December of 2017, since we had selected 2017 December. Now December 2016 to November 2016, and these details gets changed accordingly as and when we filter with the parameter. Uh, Now let's create a relative date range filter. For this, actually we need two parameters. That is yeah. So that is one is start date, another is a end date parameter. Um, it as a range. This time I'm keeping it with days only, and duplicate it and edit the name as end date. Now let's create a calculator field. And let me use relative date filter. And again, now we will use if order date less than equal to start date, order date greater than equal to end date. I think it's the opposite. Greater than equal to start date, less than equal to end date. Yeah, I'm just filtering it out. Let me show parameters first. Now let me bring the end date to 6/12. Okay, I don't want too many dates. So I'm just bringing it to 25th February 2014 and relative date filter to filter shelf and setting it to true. So now if you could see, we have only the relative dates filter set up and 25th February is not visible because there is no details for it. Now, for example, I make it to, yeah. Yes, if you could see the date of 25th February 2014 was not there. So that's the reason the details was not visible for the last date. Otherwise, this filter is working fine, guys. And thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to Dataviz Tales with Kanchana for more such videos. Uh, and if you like me to answer any other questions or you have any comments or suggestion, please do leave a comment. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.